Underground stems. Underground, not underworld, right? Underground stems. Underground stems means භූගත කඳා. පොළව ඇතුලේ තියෙන කඳා. Underground stems. Okay? Right? Yes. Here children, underground stems. Children, these are the examples for underground stems. Underground stems. So then children, we see these stems in outside also. No? අපි දකින්නවනේ මේ ගසුත් නිකන් have, right? You may have seen plant is coming out, right? Plant is coming out like this, leaves also there, right? This is not the stem. Sometimes we are thinking, right? So children, this is not actual stem. This is not the real stem. That is fake stem. Fake. Fake means boru. Fake stem. Right? This potato also, we can see, the plant, we can see, shoot is coming like this with the leaves. We feel that this one is the stem. That is also fake stem. This is the real stem, underground. Okay. Children, have you seen banana trees? Have you seen banana trees? When
Yes,
I
miss.
was schooling,
Yes,
yes, when I was schooling, I also thought that banana stem means the green colored one, which is coming out from the ground. Green colored one, that is just like a stem, no? නිකන් එක කඳක් වගේනේ, කෙසෙල් කඳ. But children, when teacher taught us, I understand that real stem located underground, right? Goal-shaped root, not goal-shaped stem located underground. පොළොව යට තමයි එයාගේ කඳක් තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මොකද අර ලොකුවට පේන්නේ? The big one that we can see, right? You know, when it comes to banana plant, we can see like this, no? These are the leaves and we feel that this is the stem. Children, this is a fake stem. Fake stem. This is fake stem. Fake stem means it is called as in science word pseudostem. Pseudostem. Fake stem. ව්‍යාජ කඳ. බොරු කඳ. Right? Okay. Fake stem. It is called as pseudostem. Pseudostem. මේව කොහෙවත් වැඩි කියලා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. If you need, you can write down. Okay. For your understanding and the knowledge, I told you. The real stem located underground. Right? Underground. We can see once uprooted. Right? We can see these are the roots. This is the stem. Real stem underground. Right? මෙන්න මෙයාගේ මේ යට ගෝලයක් වගේ කොටසක් තියෙනවා. Goal shaped cone. Cone කියලා තමයි ඒකට කියන specific name එක. Okay? So that much of information, no need. Here children, these are the actual stems located underground. Okay? So children, ginger, potato, right? Onion, garlic, colocasia plants having underground stems. Colocasia means what? Colocasia means habaral. Gahala කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Colocasia plants you may have seen. Right? Now children, I'll show you underground stem of potato. Right? Here you can see underground stem of potato. Okay? Right. This is the real stem. Okay? Right. What is this one? What is this one?
ginger.
Yes. Ginger. Right? Ginger. Here children, this is also real stem. Real
Madam,
underground stem. Okay.
can't we take turmeric as an example for underground stems?
Turmeric as an example for underground stem. Right. So here children, what is turmeric? Have you approved
Kaha.
turmeric?
Kaha.
Right? Okay. So children, turmeric is what? That is underground stem. Yes, you are correct. Okay. Outcoming green colored one is the shoot. කහවල stem එක තියෙන්නේ පොළොව යට. Right? Green colored shoot is coming out with the leaves. Okay? Yes, you are correct. Very good. Okay? Right. So the next one.
Teacher,
Yes.
I kind of think like storage roots.
Yes. Storage roots is all together. Here, this is not storage roots. These are right? Underground stems. Right? It can store foods, yes. Right? Storage roots under we discussed carrot, beetroot like things, no? Right? We didn't write potatoes. That is stem. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes,
Name
teacher.
are stems. This is stem. Those were roots. Carrot, beetroot, manioc. These are the examples for food storing roots, roots. These are stems. Right? Stems. Make a stem maker. Okay? Right. I hope that you got it. Chutta pattern එක ඇති. Okay. When you are studying, separately keep it. Okay? Right. Let's write down the not definition, right? We'll write down what are the functions of these underground stems. Right? Okay. Children, I missed something, right? Have you seen garlic?
Yes, teacher.
Garlic
Sir.
is also type of a stem. Type of a stem. That
What?
stem, underground stem. Children, where are the roots located here? These are roots, children. These are roots. Right? මේ වටේට තියෙන්නේ roots. Above these roots, this area called as stem. This is root. Around that, or upper area of that root, it is stem. It is stem. Upper area of this root. This is root. Around it, there's a stem. In leeks also. Leeks also we can see small amount of root like this. Above that we can see stem, right? Like this. Have you seen the leeks? Roots are like this. Right?
Teacher, onions.
Yes, onion also. When children, your mom is bringing these vegetables, have a look. Right? Okay, ඔරෙන් බලන්න. අම්මා බලයි දන්නේ මොකද මේ ළමයාගේ එළවලු ටික අරන් යන්නේ කවදාවත් නැතුව කියලා නේ. Okay, so here children, in leaves, these are the roots and above that there's a stem. Right? White colored area. Okay, likewise. Children, this is what? This is what?
Onion.
Yes, onion. Here also
Onion.
you can see, right? Roots. Above these roots, right? This area, above this root. This is root. This is the root section. Right? You can see now. Now roots are there. Right? And around or above it, the stem is there. Okay? Here leaves are coming out. Okay? Likewise. Children, now I have mentioned what are the examples for underground stems. Ginger, onion, garlic, potato, leeks. Right? These are the examples. Here first of all children, we will write down what are the functions of these plant and underground stems. Okay? Right. We can write down storage of foods. Right? Storage of food. Foods. Children, if you need to get onion plant, what we can do? We are establishing this underground stem on the ground නේද? මේ අතට අපි දාන්නේ. We are establishing onion like this on the ground. So then after some time we can see leaves are coming out. Okay? Right. Here we can write down vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means, children, I told you, if you have this kind of onion, we can get another new plant, right? If we have this underground stem, we can get new plant in the future, right? If you have garlic, potato, ginger also, if we have this feature, we can establish it on the ground and we can form new plants. Okay? Vegetative propagation. Vardaka pracharanya. Next one is, children, perennation. Perennation. What is perennation? Children, you know these plants, right? These plants having stored foods near, right? These plants having these underground stems have stored foods. අපි ඉතින් ඒව කනවා තමයි. We also eat after cultivating. Here, children, why these plants storing foods? For their survival, right? අනිත් මම කෑම හදන්න ඕනේ මිනිස්සුන්ට කන්න එහෙම හිතනවද මේගොල්ලෝ? These are not thinking like that, right? This is part of their body. These are stem parts, right? So children, because of these stored foods, right, they can survive in harsh environments. They can survive in harsh environments, right? When they have unfavorable conditions, right? When the favorable conditions come, they can grow once again with the new plant. Okay? Likewise. Okay. So here we can write down perennation. Perennation. Here, plants survive in unfavorable condition. Okay, so these are the functions. You can write down the examples at the places that I have given. Here, in this ginger, onion, garlic, you can write down using the slide that I have mentioned. Children, can you see this? Onion is about to grow. පේනව නේද? මෙයාගේ උඩින් ගහ එනවා. Can you see sprout of this onion? Yes, green color, ne? Okay. This is also green colored one. New plant is coming. Vegetative propagation. If you establish this on the ground, we can get a new plant, but we have to maintain the moisture content in your ground. වතුර වැඩි වුණොත් මෙයා කුණු වෙනවා. So then most probably we can grow these things near Dambulla, Jaffna like areas. Because of this, avoid this spoilage of the onion. Okay, or the stem.